Number 1, B. 50 missile, noisy. How you like that one? Number 2, hot tamale. Hey, that was number 2. Number 3, Roman candle, 5 shots. Oh. That's it. Number 4, Canadian rocket with report. You see that? Number 5, air bomb. Number 6, asteroids. Oh! Number 7, powerhouse. Powerhouse! Powerhouse! Number 8, meteors. Uh-oh. Oh. Number 9, Krakow power. Woo! Oh, that's a nice one. Number 10, purple dahlia. Dahlia, I guess. Number 10. Woo! Wow. Number 11, skyworm. Whoa! Number 12, crackling dragon. Number 13, golden galaxy. Golden galaxy! And the last but not least, number 14, victory blast. This is the last one. This is number 14, victory blast. Whoa! That was a victory blast.